I have this unfinished wood pickup truck. I got it from Michael's. It was originally $3.99. It was part of their 4th of July collection, so I got it 70% off at the end of the season. I'm going to remove the top jute hanger, and it's just the back side of a pickup truck. Using some Wise Owl Spanish Olive, I'm going to paint the entire thing. Now, if you cannot find this cutout, since I did get it a couple months ago, there are plenty of wood cutout trucks in the craft stores. Once that was dry, I took some Wise Owl Snow Owl and I just dry brushed on the back headlights. Then I took some smoky quartz and I brushed that on the back bumper. Now, what's nice about these cutouts is you do not have to paint them perfectly. I just like to do a little bit of a dry brush on top of the main color. And then for the tires, I took the Wise Owl Black. Now I'm using just all chalk synthesis paint from Wise Owl. You could pick any colors of your choice. We have the choice of 2 different paint bundles on our website at chalkitupfancy.com. They come with 6 2-ounce paint samples, and that just gives you the opportunity to try these different colors, as you only really need a very small amount of paint for some of these smaller DIY crafts. Now, if you had really good handwriting or if you have some tracing paper, you can always put a word in the license plate, but I just decided to leave mine blank. And then I just took the Wise Owl Black and I just trimmed around the mirror, and I also went around the headlight with the black. And I'm just going around the different areas where there was cutout. It kind of just gives it a little bit of dimension. And then I'm going to allow my truck to fully dry. I got these Harvest DIY words right from the Dollar Tree. It came 6 pieces in a pack, and it says hello fall, hello autumn, give thanks, welcome fall, and then farm fresh. I'm going to use the farm fresh. And then I'm going to take some smaller wood laser cutout letters and I'm going to spell the word pumpkins. I'm going to take my General Finishes oil base gel stain. This color is Antique Walnut. I love working with the gel stain. It's so much easier to work with. You just rub it on and then rub off any excess stain. And I just use a paper towel to rub it in. I have this reversible board. I found these from Target. They are $3, and one side is the whitewash, the other side is a stain, and they're only $3. It is kind of hard to come across these, so whenever I find them, I do stock up on them. I'm going to glue my Farm Fresh at the top of my board, and I just like to use a little bit of wood glue. I paint it on with a thin paintbrush. This is the Elmer's wood glue. And then I'm going to take the word pumpkins and put it right underneath the Farm Fresh. And I'm using the top of the pickup truck so that the word pumpkins is a little bit of a curve. And then I'm just going to glue those down with the wood glue as well. I have all these little wood pumpkin cutouts. These are actually wood stickers. I'd grabbed some from the Dollar Tree. They also have some at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to cut the bottoms of some of them so that they sit flat against the bed of the pickup truck. And then I'm just going to start staggering the pumpkins so it looks like the pumpkins are sitting in the bed of the truck. So you're going to just kind of mess around. I'm using some metal shears to cut the wood. These shears are great for cutting thin wood. And once I was happy with where I planned on sticking them, I'm going to use my hot glue and just start adhering the pumpkins to the back. And you can really stack these however you'd like. You can also put other things in the back of your pickup truck. I just stuck to the pumpkins. And once that was full of the pumpkins, I took my Wise Owl Furniture Salve. This is just a nice, easy top coat, especially for crafts that are not really handled that much. And I'm just going to rub on the salve. It brightens up the paint and it just gives it a nice finish. I apply it with my 2-inch palm brush and then I just rub it in with a paper towel, or you can also use a cotton cloth. And then I'm just going to take the hot glue and adhere the pickup truck to the bottom of the board. And there we go. Now we just have this very easy, customizable Farm Fresh pumpkin sign. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.